Do you want your 3D wall panels to last long and never peel off? Stay with me because in this video I will share 5 simple steps that guarantee a strong and professional finish. I will also reveal the advantages and disadvantages. You should know exactly what to expect before you begin. Now, the wall I am working on today is already screeded and neat, so there is no need for extra surface preparation. But in my next video, I will show you how I handle a rough uneven wall using tie rod before panel installation. So make sure you don't miss that. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Temmy Profinish. Remember your space, my canvas. Today we are diving into the world of 3D wall panels. I will walk you through 5 key steps for installation, talk about the tools and adhesive you need, and then break down the pros and cons. Let's get started. Now, step 1. Prepare wall first. Make sure your wall surface is clean, smooth and free from dust, and there are some cracks or holes. Fix them before starting. A smooth wall ensures better grip. Now, to choose the right adhesive. Normally heavy duty adhesive works best, but in my own project I use Visa 6000 because heavy duty wasn't available. To secure it further, I also use a stapler to clip the panel to the wall. You can also use a silicone gun for extra sealing, especially around edges or corners. Now, step 3. Plan your layout. Always measure and plan before applying. Dry fix your panels on the wall and mark the wall to improve misalignment. Step 4. Fix the panel. Apply adhesive at the back of the panel. Press it firmly on top the wall and make sure it's well aligned. Use a level if needed so the panel stays straight. And step 5. Finishing touches. Once the panels are in place, fill any small gaps with silicone if required. Then allow them to set properly. After that, you can paint or coat the panel with your preferred finish for a flawless look. Now let's dive into the advantage of 3D panels. Now let's talk about why 3D panels are becoming so popular. They give your wall a modern and stylish look. They hide imperfection like cracks or rough surfaces. They are easy to paint or coat, so you can customize them with finish like gloss, satin and pearl. Some panels offer sound and thermal benefits. They are versatile with different patterns and materials to match your style. Okay, now disadvantages of 3D wall panels, but they are not perfect. Here are some disadvantages you should know. Installation need care. Wrong adhesive can make panels fall off. Moisture can damage certain type of panel. They can be costlier than regular wall finishes. Dust can settle in grooves, so cleaning takes more effort. Cheap panels may not last longer, so quality matters. Now, so 3D wall panels can truly transform your space, but only when installed properly. With the right materials, take your time, follow these steps, and you will enjoy a beautiful finish that lasts for years. So to complete these installations, I use 2 different finish for the 2 sides of the wall. On one side, I apply yellow pearl coat, which adds a brighter luxurious shine and makes the 3D pop beautifully under light. On the other side, I used white gloss paint, giving it a clean, reflective look that feels fresh and elegant. Both finish have their own unique style, and this way you can see how 3D panels respond on differently to pearl and gloss paint. But in my next video, I will show you how I handle a rough uneven wall using tie rod before panel installation. So make sure you don't miss it. So I will say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Temmy Profinish for more painting, DIY and home decor tips. And don't forget what I said earlier. In my next video, I'll break it down the full process of using tie rod to fix rough and uneven walls before installing 3D panels. Remember your space, my canvas. Oh, let me quickly tell you this. And if you've been wondering why your gloss paint ends up peeling or bubbling, I have already made a full video on that. You can check it out as my previous upload. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Much love.